Hello YouTubers, welcome to my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is called MyWebUniversity Free Educational Videos, where I teach Python programming, shell programming, C, C++, Unix operating system, Linux operating system. In this video number 1, I was discussing the Unix, Linux scripting with Bash, Corn Shell, C Shell, True C Shell, and a variety of other languages like awk and Python. But on this video number 2, I'm discussing the environment variables. Each of these videos are long, so you need to watch each videos. The video number 3 talks about the if statement. Video number 4 talks about the nested if statement. On video number 5, I discussed the if test statement. The for statement or for loop is discussed on video number 6. The for each loop, which is a C shell, true C shell, is discussed on video number 7. The while loop is discussed on video number 8. The until loop with a lot of programming examples is discussed in the video number 9. Until later. Thanks for watching.